So this coffee machine is not very easy to open. This is a Silvercrest. So in order to open, remove from the bottom the screw, 4 screws, and after that it's impossible to remove that. So with a long screwdriver here, you need to push this one on the front, here on the front. With a long screwdriver you need to push this one, screwdriver like this, here, and push over there, push over there, and then when it's partially opened, try with a knife here, for example, to remove the cover, the black cover. After that, you will have access to all screws here. Okay? Because it's locked by these clips. These clips, there is six clips over there, like that. When you remove this one, you can insert here your knife and click gently. Even that, you can take this long screwdriver behind, in order to unclip this one. Unclip this one and unclip this one. Not so easy. Thank you for watching.